Writers Workshop, Unit 3, Session 4, Best in Show, Judging Our Collections. Opinion writers expect disagreement. Today I want to teach you that writers don't all agree, and that's okay. If one person has written his or her opinion, someone else can say, I agree. My opinion is the same. Or I disagree. I have a different opinion. When we don't agree with someone else's opinion, that's a good time to write our own opinion and back it up with reasons why we disagree or think something different. So you can see the two little boys on this page. The boy in red said, "This is my favorite truck in my collection," and it's pointing to the brown truck. The other boy in blue says, "I disagree. This is my favorite truck in your collection." And the arrow is pointing to the blue one. All right, so one thing you want to do when you're disagreeing or agreeing with someone's opinion is you want to have a conversation. We say you want to talk back. Some polite and thoughtful ways to disagree with another person's opinion. So here's some speech bubbles with some ideas. Some people think, they say. This makes sense because, or still, I think. Or you could say, I can understand why blank thinks, but I disagree. I think that blank is even more. I think this because. Or, in my opinion, blank is the best blank. The other person could say, I know other blank, but I still think it's the best. So just having a polite and thoughtful way to disagree with someone. Here's an example from some first graders from a few years ago. Here's an example of an I agree paper. I agree that T-Rex is the best. I like it because it's huge and it has spikes. I think Grayson picked the best one. So that was a student named Sammy who was agreeing with another first grade student, Grayson. Here's a disagree paper. So this is from Zach, and he's disagreeing with a girl named Ellie. I disagree with Ellie because I like her orange popsicle. I like her orange popsicle because it smells good. I like her orange popsicle because it's cute, and that's why I disagree. So you want to convince your reader. You write your opinion, you give lots of reasons, and you add details. Today, we're also going to work on using sparkly words. So instead of some of our boring words, we're going to come up with some ideas of some sparkly words. So instead of fun, you could use the words exciting, entertaining, or amusing. Instead of pretty, gorgeous, beautiful, stunning. Instead of big, humongous, huge, giant. Instead of good, you could use the word wonderful, terrific, magnificent. Instead of cute, you could use adorable, sweet, beloved. Instead of small, tiny, little, or miniature. And instead of using the word nice, you could use the word lovely, amazing, or delightful. So think in your writing about adding some sparkly words.